All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 5 Minutes of Math. And this is Mr. Lunsford. Thank you for joining us again. And this is a very, very simple question. It's just one question. So hopefully this will make up for all those 8 and 10 minute long 5 minutes of math. Yeah. So now this is just asking us which graph is the best suited for what we're doing. So the objective here is that we want to have a graph that shows individual pieces of data. This is number 22. And the homework is for Friday, February the 9th. Now, you're looking at a stem and leaf plot. This is also, we're calling this in the book, they call this graph A because they also show you a Box-And-Whisker plot in the second piece of this question. But if you look at this stem and leaf plot, it looks at the number of hours spent online each week. A student conducted a survey and said, look, how many hours do you spend online, either gaming or hopefully doing homework each week. So you'll see each stem and leaf. So you have 0 hours, and it's unbelievable, 3 hours, 5 hours, 7 hours, and then in the second line, 10 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours, 12 hours, so on and so forth. Now, with graph B, we're looking at our outlier here at 0 hours. We're looking at our lower quartile at right about 9 hours. We're looking at a median of 12 and our upper quartile at, this looks like about 14.5, 14.4, somewhere in there. And our data ranges, excluding the outliers, from right about 2.5 to 3 to about 19. So this is our Box-And-Whisker plot. Now, what's the difference between the two? Well, you all have an entire world of knowledge at your fingertips. And I'm pretty sure that you all will be the first generation of students to have your high school classes and have some without textbooks. We still have textbooks in schools for some reason, but there is so much more information out there online if you know where to look. So, like I just showed you, that was number 22. The first place I usually go when I want an explanation that is, to the point, it's tight, it gets the point across, I go to mathisfun.com. And right here, what they're talking about, a stem and leaf plot. The stem and leaf plot, it's a fast way of showing you all the data values. All your data points are right there, and they use stems and leaves. So like in that first row, that 1 and 5 is 15, the 1 and 6 is 16, so on and so forth. The advantage is you can see all your data, and you can see where they sit very, very quickly. The other thing that a stem and leaf plot does, and you can see here, it shows you each data value, and I've said that about 2 or 3 times at this point. But it's also quoted on this website. That's the value of a stem and leaf plot. Now, Box-And-Whisker plots. This comes from an entirely different country, and how do I know that? See where it says www.statcan.gc.ca? That CA stands for Canada. So this is a website with math facts that has been archived. I'm not sure if it's being updated at this point, but it's accurate information, and although it's designed for older students, it still works for us. So we're looking at Box-And-Whisker plots. Now, what's good about that? A Box-And-Whisker plot is good for showing summaries of your data. It shows you your ranges, it shows you where your midpoints are, it shows you whether there's outliers. So it's good for looking at an entire range of data. So, and it says down here, a Box-And-Whisker plot is a great way of summarizing a set of data. And as it turns out, of these two, graph A is going to be your best choice if your objective is to show individual student responses. Now, if you're looking for something like median, if you're looking for outliers, of course you're going to want to use graph B. But for number 22, the best answer is graph A. So again, if you want to see individual answers, you're looking at a stem and leaf plot. If you want to see a summary of your whole data set, you're going for that Box-And-Whisker. So that's about it. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm still working on those other 2 videos I owe you. Hopefully they'll be posted really, really soon. All right. Have a great day. I will talk to you in about 24 hours.